Today I'm using my Fujifilm XS10 camera with classic chrome film simulation recipe. Melukat, according to Balinese belief, is a soul purification ritual called tirthayatra. This ritual using holy water or tirtha is performed as worship in Hinduism. However, Hindu priests do not forbid anyone who wants to follow Melukat. The ritual of Melukat etymologically comes from two words, su, which means good, and lukat means purification, so that Melukat is interpreted as a ceremony to purify oneself in order to increase goodness. This self-purification uses the medium of water, which can be done in spring, either on the beach or river. In the concept of Balinese cosmology, according to Parasada Hindu Dharma Indonesia, PHDI, the universe has two properties, namely skala and niskala. Skala is real and can be captured with the five senses. Meanwhile, niskala is believed but cannot be grasped by the five senses. Balance in the concept of cosmology is obtained when the macrocosm and microcosm are harmonious. The macrocosm is a very wide world but has regular boundaries. Man, as a replica of the vastness of the universe, is called the microcosm. When humans experience bad things, such as pain, misery, anxiety, accidents to death, it takes effort to return to surrender to the Almighty. The ritual of surrender to harmonize the microcosm and macrocosm, as well as physically and spiritually, or skala niskala, is carried out by Melukat. Thank you for watching. I'm Durgavilm, wish you all in good harmony in life. Peace.